In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hubstaff subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply don't need the service anymore, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. So, let's dive in right away. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Hubstaff and hit Enter to find the official Hubstaff website. Go ahead and click on the link to open it. Once you're on the Hubstaff homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the site. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Use your registered email address and password to log into your Hubstaff account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's always an option to reset it. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, look towards the top right corner of the screen where your organization's name should be visible. Clicking on your organization's name reveals a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option named Organizations. Now that you're on the Organizations page, you should see a list of all the organizations you manage or are part of. Look for the specific organization you're planning to archive or cancel and find the Actions button, which is usually located right next to it. Click on Actions to see the available options. You'll now see the choice to either archive or cancel subscription. Choose the option that is most appropriate for your intention. If you're still deciding or planning to return in the future, archiving might be a wise option. Otherwise, canceling the subscription is straightforward if you're ready to part ways. Next, a cancellation dialog will appear, asking you to provide a reason for your decision to cancel. Be honest about why you're leaving. It helps companies improve their services. Fill in the necessary fields and ensure everything is accurately filled out. Once that's completed, click on the Cancel Subscription or Archive Organization button to finalize the process. This action will initiate the cancellation or archival, and you should soon receive a confirmation email. Be sure to keep an eye on your inbox for this message, as it serves as a record of your account status change. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled or archived your Hubstaff subscription. It was quick, wasn't it? If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to refer back to this guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made your day a little easier.